Uh, hey everybody, happy Wednesday. I wanted to share with you really quickly my February scent of the month. I just got it in. So I receive a monthly box that I subscribe to from Scentsy so that I get all of the newest fragrances and warmers. Sometimes I get warmers, sometimes I only get the wax, but I get them a month ahead of time. I was a little late in jumping in on this one, but I thought I'd share it with you guys and show you what all I got and give you the opportunity to sniff it first and grab some of these before they sell out. So this month's fragrance is Plum and White Woods. So every month I get wax bars, room spray, and then I get my testers. I'll get a party tester and a mini tester. So I want to check this fragrance out. So this is going to be our Valentine's themed warmer and wax. So I'm just going to cut this open. I didn't get the warmer this month. I was waited too late. So I thought, well, at least I'm going to get the wax and I can share it with all of you guys. So this month, February's warmer is going to be Loved. It's really, really cute. It looks like a lilac colored warmer. It's an element warmer, so there's no bulb. You don't have to worry about running out of bulbs. And then it's got gold lettering, says love on it. And I'm going to read you the description of the scent of the month: Plum and White Woods, sweet raspberry preserves, and damson plum weave through vanilla orchid. So nice. How cute that is. That's a really, really cute warmer. So in the month of February, you can get this for 10% off. Comment below and I will message you back and I will send you a sample of this so you can try it before you buy it. It smells really, really nice. It's a creamy scent. So if you like orchid, it's a soft flowery note. It's not really strong on the flowers, but the raspberry pops through. So this would be a really great gift. If you need a teacher gift or anything like that, this would be a cute one to give. You can package this along with some of our Love and Happiness or I can't think right now. Love and Happiness wax or Lucky and Love hand soap and hand cream. So that would be a really cute teacher gift. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and see y'all next time.